And this is why it is really important to have leak detectors in your house. We have one of these under every sink in our house and one behind our washer. Well, we left for church and went to lunch and came back to our house, and this thing was beeping loudly. When I came in, there was water all down the floor right here. Now, thankfully, it hadn't gone to the baseboards, and we live on a slab, so we don't have like wood subfloor underneath here, and it wasn't a crazy amount. Our baseboards weren't swollen or anything. So it seems like one of the hoses, the hot water hose, came loose or something as it was attached to the washer. By the way, we were not running the washer when this thing went off. The water leaked out without us running the washer. But know that you can have a water leak behind your washer without your washer running. Now we are running the hot water through the hose because it was the hot water hose that leaked. We tightened it back up because the vibrations of your washer can cause those hoses to get loose over time. We've never had that happen, but we've always used these just to tell us. And thankfully we did, because I didn't do laundry, and I probably wouldn't have done laundry tonight, and I probably wouldn't have come to my laundry room. But this thing is way louder, if not as loud as a smoke detector. We were able to come in and address this issue before it became a much bigger one.